In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the constant contact footer from your emails. Now, this might seem a little challenging, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To begin with, let's start by searching for Constant Contact on Google. Open up your preferred browser, head to the search bar, and type in Constant Contact. Click on the official link to the website. It should be one of the top results you find. Once on the Constant Contact homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click that. Enter your user credentials to log into your account. Remember to keep these details secure, as they give access to all your campaigns and data. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. From this dashboard, you'll want to create a new campaign. Click on the Create button, which is prominently displayed on the home page. You'll have the option to start from scratch or use a template. For our purposes today, select Start from Blank. This allows you to have full control over every aspect of your email, including any potential footers. As you begin drafting your email, at the bottom of the editing screen, you'll notice a default footer. This is what we aim to remove. But keep in mind that there's a process you need to follow if you really want to get rid of it. Navigate toward the upper right corner of your workspace, where you'll see a question mark icon. This is where you'll find additional help and support options. Click on the question mark, which will prompt a drop-down menu. From here, you'll choose Contact Us. You'll then see an option that reads Email Customer Support. Click on that and it will direct you to a support page. This brings you closer to resolving the footer issue. The support page has a field labeled I'm looking for help with. Here you will select Support. You'll find this as one of the options in the drop-down menu. Once selected, you can type out your specific concern regarding the footer. Be clear in your request describing why or how you need the footer removed. After entering your concern, click on Next to proceed with your support request. You're almost there. The final steps involve clicking Continue to send your email to Constant Contact Customer Support. This will forward your request to their team, who are equipped to handle custom inquiries like removing footers from email campaigns. And that's how you do it. Congratulations on taking the steps to tailor your email campaigns to better fit your brand's identity. Thank you for following along, and be sure to reach out to support if you need more detailed help.